Alright guys, so we're heading to the Malibu Wine Safari. I have my little here. She's visiting from Ohio to be with us. Gina's driving. So we stayed at the Airbnb in LA. We just stopped and we got Dunkin' to help our caffeine fix we needed. And it says we should get there around 11:15ish. Our tour's at 11:30, so we can't wait to take you guys on it. And hopefully there's no LA traffic because we do not want to be late.
We're getting on this giraffe truck, so we're excited. Okay, we are on the safari truck. There's Maddy and there's Kenna.
And we have a great view.
Yeah, this is where the guy is going to be sitting.
Yep, right in front of me.
Yeah, turn it around.
Right in front of me.
Right there. So we'll get a good,
We get to hang out.
good view.
So we're on our third wine. We're trying 3 wines at this location and then seeing some animals and then going to another location and having 3 more wines. We're on the Chardonnay, right?
Yeah.
Chardonnay's Gina's favorite. What was it your favorite?
Sauvignon Blanc.
The Sauvignon Blanc was my littlest favorite. And they had a rosé too. It was really good.
Okay, we're on to the next stop.
Okay, so we just hit the last wine part. I think we're done, right?
I think so.
We fed the animals. We went to 2 different places.
Wines, 6 wines.
We're having our red wine now. Gina hates it and I love it. So
Hate it.
yeah, it's great.
Okay, so now we're here at Malibu Farms. Here's Kenna, and I got a nice rosé. What did you get?
We got a strawberry cocktail.
Maddy got
Coconut, like coconut and pineapple.
and we're just
like not in the best way.
and now we're just eating these nachos, which are amazing.
Jimmy's Mom Network. Okay, so we're on one of the piers in Malibu. We just had lunch and we're just kind of exploring out here. It's so pretty. So don't mind our messy Airbnb, but thinking before we go out, we might pregame with some wine. And we brought 2 bottles, and we didn't bring a corkscrew. And this Airbnb doesn't have any utensils or really anything to get this wine open. So here we are. We're doing our best with a pen. We had a key, but it wasn't really working. This is LA life. We're living the Hollywood lifestyle. Okay, so it's Sunday, and we're heading out of LA tonight to go back home to San Diego, but before that we're gonna go hike near the Hollywood sign, and then grab some brunch after that, before we head back. Last night we went out on the town. We'll have to tell you that story later because that was crazy. But yeah, we're gonna go hike and we're gonna take you guys on it so you guys can kind of see the different route and hopefully we can see the Hollywood sign up close.
Okay, so right now we're walking up to where we think the Hollywood sign is.
And mind you, I thought this was like a little hike, like not a real hike.
But look up there.
And we keep seeing
And up
people,
there.
we keep seeing people
All around, look up there.
You can zoom in on the people up there. If you put your hand up, you're holding this. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so we kind of took a detour and and it's sunny. And we're walking, kind of took up this little path and you can kind of see how the city from LA. So it's really pretty. You can see all of LA. We kind of found this path. I don't know if it's an actual path or if we just kind of made it a path.
Well, we're on it.
But we're doing it.
The damn thing.